All right, Daryl, appreciate you joining us. Moving on Prime Minister Modi's speech in Lok Sabha yesterday, Congress MP Jairam Ramesh has said, and I quote, "Whenever Prime Minister Modi speaks in the Parliament, he proves that he can never speak the truth, even by mistake. To hide his own shortcomings, he keeps on disrespecting Jawaharlal Nehru. Yesterday, he spoke a lot of lies and he's an expert in giving new shape to history. He spoke about emergency. Isn't there an undeclared emergency today? There is an atmosphere of fear, politics of threats. In fact, let's listen in."
हमेशा जब प्रधानमंत्री बोलते हैं, हमारे जो नॉन बायोलॉजिकल प्रधानमंत्री हैं बोलते हैं, वो सबूत देते हैं कि वो गलती से भी सच नहीं बोल सकते और अपनी कमियों को छुपाने के लिए वो नेहरू को बदनाम करते रहते हैं, नेहरू को याद करते हैं। अगर वो नेहरू नहीं होते तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का क्या होता, मैं समझ नहीं सकता हूँ। कल उन्होंने झूठ आफ्टर झूठ, झूठ पर झूठ बोले। इतिहास को एक नया रूप देने में वो तो बहुत माहिर हैं। पहला संशोधन जो किया गया 1951 में, उसके बारे में उन्होंने बहुत जिक्र किया। 1951 में पहला संशोधन क्यों किया गया? 3 कारण थे। एक, सांप्रदायिक प्रचार चल रहा था भयंकर तरीके से पार्टीशन के बाद। दूसरा कारण ये था कि ये जो हमारे अनुसूचित जाति, अनुसूचित जनजाति, ओबीसी वर्गों के लिए जो आरक्षण के प्रावधान थे, वो न्यायालय ने उसको रद्द कर दिया था। और तीसरा कारण ये था कि जमींदारी को हटाने के लिए जो अधिनियम बनाए गए थे, वो भी अस्वीकार किए गए थे हाई कोर्ट में और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में। तो इससे निपटने के लिए ये पहला संशोधन आया। राजगोपालाचारी, डॉक्टर अंबेडकर, जवाहरलाल नेहरू सब सेलेक्ट कमेटी के सदस्य थे। और मेरे पास एक खत है जुलाई 3, 1950 का, 3 जुलाई 1950 का, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जवाहरलाल नेहरू को लिखते हैं। उनका देहांत दिसंबर 1950 में हुआ। आज उनकी जयंती मना रहे हैं, पर 3 जुलाई 1950 हमें।
Anand, my colleague, joins us on the broadcast. Anand, of course, Mr. Jairam Ramesh speaking on what the Prime Minister said yesterday, saying that history has been contextualized and the Prime Minister has not spoken the truth in the Parliament. We are definitely going to hear the Bharatiya Janata Party shooting back on what Mr. Jairam Ramesh has said shortly.
Yeah, Vinit, look, the way in which Jairam Ramesh today hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he accused him of telling lies, speaking lies in the House Lok Sabha when he was making comments on the constitution while participating in the debate in the Lok Sabha yesterday. And he mentioned that there are several points on which Prime Minister Modi once again lied as he cannot speak the truth in Parliament, and he mentioned several of the facts and he kept several of the facts in front of the Prime Minister and also before the people while speaking to the reporters over here. And Jairam Ramesh said that the Prime Minister, he has been habitual of lying to people, and the speech that he gave in the Parliament was more like a political speech, an election rally speech, instead of coming to the facts. And he also mentioned he took a jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi for avoiding to speak on the farmers issue and also on the Adani issue and also giving clean sheet to China in 2020.
Right, Mr. Mojinder Singh Sirsa, National Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party, with us on the broadcast as well. Mr. Sirsa, what do you make of what Mr. Jairam Ramesh has said? He said the Prime Minister, whatever he said about Jawaharlal Nehru is not the truth. In fact, he also went to the extent of saying that the Prime Minister did not speak the truth at all in Parliament yesterday. How do you respond, sir?
देखिए, कांग्रेस को सच सुनने की आदत नहीं रही। द ओनली प्रॉब्लम विद कांग्रेस इज व्हेनेवर यू स्पीक ट्रूथ दे से दिस इज इंसल्ट। अब जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के बारे में बताना इनको इंसल्ट लगता है। आज इंदिरा गांधी के बारे में बताना कि उन्होंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कैसे तोड़ा मरोड़ा और किस तरह से उन्होंने बार बार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की धज्जियां उड़ाई, इनको इंसल्ट लगती है। तो कांग्रेस इज नॉट यूज्ड टू लिसन, इज नॉट यूज्ड ऑफ लिसनिंग द ट्रूथ, एंड द ट्रूथ इज that this is the true picture of our Jawaharlal Nehru ji or maybe Indira Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi. But whenever Prime Minister speaks truth, they are not ready to listen to it. So they say कि गलत बोला जा रहा है और ये insult है. They have to be used to of this. They should listen. They should understand that this is the truth of the country and how they have exploited our constitution, they have exploited our system, they have exploited the government and the institutions. So this is the true picture of Gandhi family and Nehru family, which they, I think, should use to getting the truth, listening the truth every time.
Right, Mr. Sirsa, appreciate you joining us, sir. All right, on that note, we're dipping into a short break. Be right back.
अरे ऋषि आज स्कूल नहीं गए?